we are going to start an exciting thing, okay? And this is palm painting. Say everyone. Palm painting. Raise your hand. Very good. So what do we do today? Sarah, tell me. Palm painting. Yes. Okay. So let's start together. Sit down, everyone. Sarah, how are you?
I am fine.
Are you ready to do this? Okay. So dip your hands here. Okay. Now I'm giving you color. Okay. Do you like red color? Sarah? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Baba, I will give everyone. Okay, Sarah. Paste here, okay? Wow, so beautiful. See everyone? Sarah done the palm painting, right? See? Yes, we will call everyone, okay? One by one. Wow, very good, Sarah. Thank you, Baba. Go back to your seat.